War has traditionally been man's work, although we know that often women were the cause of violence. But the voice of women, the voice of those most closely involved in bringing forth new life, has not always been listened to when it pleaded and implored against the waste of life in war after war after war. The voice of women has a special role and a special soul force in the struggle for a non-violent world. We do not wish to replace religious sectarianism or ideological division with sexism of any kind or militant feminism. But we do believe, as Kieran McKeown, who is with us today in spirit, believes, that women have a leading role to play in this great struggle. So we are honoured, in the name of all women, that women have been honoured especially for their part in leading a non-violent movement for a just and peaceful society. Compassion is more important than intellect in calling forth love that the work of peace needs. And intuition can often be far more powerful searchlight than cold reason. We have to think and think hard, but if we do not have compassion before we start thinking, then we are quite likely to start fighting over theories. The whole world is divided, ideologically, theologically, right and left, and men are prepared to fight over their ideological differences. Yet the whole human family can be united by compassion. As Kieran McKeown recently said in Israel, compassion recognizes human rights automatically. It does not need a charter.